Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe Update today. So there's not too much to talk about Pepe at the moment, of course, other than left shoulder, inverted and shoulders that you have. But we still need that one another big break to go to the upside. We just saw this break to the upside here with this small little bit of a head and shoulders, and then you have a bigger head and shoulder. So it's head and shoulder within head and shoulder, if it makes sense. Okay, small head and shoulders, and then a bigger head and shoulders. Small head and shoulders has already broken up, and retested. Now the bigger head and shoulders still is pending, okay? And we are very, very close to our answer. If I take the trend line and I put the trend line like this, then you have time until 15th of May, which is Wednesday, the day after tomorrow. So I'm just going to leave you with this one like that. Now, quick comment is that the market is super boring. It has been really, really boring, to be honest with you, and I know that. I'm aware of that. But can I just say this, that it's pretty much expected? I think, yes, there are phases in the market that comes where things are just sideways. And the worst thing to think when a market is in a sideways is that crypto is dead. I mean, crypto is really far from dead because, come on, it's not a secret. You have ETF approval. Hong Kong approved Ethereum ETF, you have BlackRock people coming in, you have so many things going on. Burning just happened, sorry, not burning, but halving happened last month in April. So there's so many things going on that anyone who says that crypto is dead probably speaks out of ignorance or out of lack of knowledge or just a hater, okay? And another thing is that I've been reading some few articles and they say that the market, the bull run ends 1.5 years after halving. So if halving was last month and you have 1.5 years, 1.5 years to have the bull run, then how can you, for example, if you start to just pump all of a sudden today and then you make that 50x in the next month, what are you going to do next year in June? What are you going to do next year in April? What are you going to do? Because 1.5 years from April this year, do the math, okay? 1.5 years. That's actually how many months are this? We're talking about 18 months. 18 months from April. You have further 18 months for this bull run to come to an end. So April was last year. May is still even in the middle. We haven't even reached the end just yet. So even when you finish May, you still have 17 months. You still have 16 months. You still are going to go down. You still have a long way to go. And let's say even in 7 months you don't do anything. Even in 7 months if you don't do anything, you still have 11 months, okay? And even if in 15 months you don't do anything, you still have another 3 months. And in 3 months, a lot can happen at the end of the day. So that's all for the video on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.